Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be potting this pot up. I just washed it and now I'm ready to start potting in it. So yeah, I can feel the weather changing, so I'm really excited and motivated to work in my garden as long as the rain holds off. So many things right now going on around the world. It is super crazy. So guys, we just need to keep all these people in prayer all around the United States and just all around the world, because there's just a lot of stuff going on. Nature, you know, a lot of crazy stuff with nature and just people. And that's it, you know. You guys already know. I'm pretty sure you guys are in the news and you guys don't come for that, so I'm not gonna get into that. Just, you know, lots of prayer, guys. Yeah, so I don't know the name of some of these plants. So yeah, if I do, that one is labeled over there, so I'll show you the name of that one, which I've never seen before. I got it a while back ago though. It's been in the pot for a while. So yeah, as usual, I have miracle cactus soil, turfus, and perlite inside this pot. And that's about it. Beauty I got at Home Depot. I got it a while back ago. It was struggling, but then it just like got with the program. That's the name right there. I've never seen it before. It's new to me, so yeah. I'm planting it specifically over here because this is where I put it and it recovered. So I'm like, yeah, you're gonna stay right there, just in a different pot. La primera que vamos a estar poniendo es esta. Nunca la había visto, ya hace más de un mes que la compré, creo que 2 meses, hasta más de 2 meses. En el principio sí estaba un poquito como que no estaba funcionando y la moví, la dejé quieta y se recuperó. Aquí está su nombre para que lo tengan. Ya. No name on this one. I think it's like a mix between aloe, and it did flower. An aloe and a Forthia maybe. Something I propagated. Okay guys, I'm all set. I finished. I like how it looks. I hope that it grows beautifully and is happy here. Hope you guys liked it. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm doing some things back here. So yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully weather, you hear this beautiful breeze, weather continues like this, you know, and I have time, I'm gonna be so happy to work back here. And I'll show you something else real quick. This is my sugar apple tree that I planted. So we'll see how that grows. Hopefully it grows big. And I'm planning on keeping it in a pot. I've seen people get fruit with them growing in a container, so I just hope it does. And another thing is I moved it from over there to over here, only because why? I don't know really why. It gets a little bit more sun there, and the palm tree was storing lots of debris on it, even though I have another palm tree over here. But yeah, that's why I moved it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me show you something as I leave you guys to enjoy the lizard doing push-ups and a beautiful flower. Hold on one second. He's probably gonna stop. Are you doing some push-ups, Mr. Lizard? Anyways, besides the lizard, look at that beautiful flower right there. I do have baby plants of that for sale on my Instagram. Check it out. And I do have other ones. So yeah, just take a look at my Instagram and see what I have. And yeah, I'm getting excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.